Having the right tools and products and a solid knowledge of colorimetry will help you succeed in any repainting process. Let us now look at the best methods and tips for optimizing color matching. In refinish, colorimetry is the set of methods and techniques used to measure, adjust and optimize the application of color during repairs. The aim is to correctly integrate the colour of the part that has been repaired in such a way that it's imperceptible to the human eye. The perception of a type of colour is conditioned by the amount of light reflected and absorbed by a given object. It is common for a vehicle's colour code to have different variants to cover small shade deviations. These slight variations can be caused by various factors, such as the type of material, be it plastic, steel, aluminium or carbon fibre. Colour deviations caused as a result of the actual application system during the car manufacturing process, the application technique with variations in distance, movement or speed used by each professional. Incorrect preparation of the paint from failing to follow the specifications of the technical datasheet or making mistakes during the mixing procedure. Or the complexity involved in reproducing some formulas such as free coat colours or pearl colours. Relying on a system that provides excellent colorimetry and coverage will help solve all these difficulties. Things get more complicated for professionals when the colour of the surface to repair has slightly different variants of shades. The following tools can be used to optimise integration and colour matching of the part. The colour chart contains samples that are painted for each colour code and their respective variants. Some colour charts are hand painted, organised chromatically for better and faster colour matching. Note that this method entails higher maintenance and upgrade costs compared to digitised colour tools. A spectrophotometer is undoubtedly the most accurate and reliable tool for identifying the correct colour. This tool measures the wavelength of the colour of the surface to be repaired. Its combination of an extensive formula database and powerful colour software allows professionals instant access to almost any colour formula on the market. After filtering the information collected in the spectrophotometer, the software provides the most suitable colour variant from different viewing angles. Professionals with advanced knowledge of colorimetry may also make small colour adjustments in regards to saturation, brightness or tint. Another method for optimising colour matching is applying the paint test cards. This process allows us to improve colorimetry and cover any blending effect or patches using similar movement, speed or distance from the part as used in the repair process. Using paint test cards is an essential step in matching complex shades of colours. When projecting a wavelength that is similar to natural light, the light gun helps to better differentiate the shades of colour and to spot possible paint defects such as sandpaper marks or metamurism. It allows us to simulate different light conditions and intensities, optimising the colour check. First, check the vehicle's colour code. Examine the different parts and structure of the vehicle in detail to find out if it has been repainted or if it has any finishing defects. A colour variant may be a better match than the official formula on a repainted part. If it is a blending effect, the colour reading will be taken from parts that are adjacent to the repair. If it is a patch repair, the reading may be made on the same part. Degrease and polish the surface with a machine finishing polish to obtain a more accurate and interference-free colour check. An inappropriate temperature of the part can cause a miscalculation of the spectrophotometer. In special colours that have a high reflection, always take precautions to optimise their matching. Once the best fitting variant has been chosen, apply the paint on different paint test cards to check its matching on the surface. Finally, we always recommend its application using a blending technique to ensure proper colour integration and matching of the bodywork.